Here's how to make boat or some kind of planter, container, and heart or me. Here's a notebook paper I have, or you can use a letter size paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inch. Start out with a sideway, long way, and fold the bottom to the top. And you are making like a hot dog bun, which is long way. Please make sure you are not doing hamburger bun this way. That's not it. So from the bottom to the long top. That's the very first fold. And make a nice crease on the bottom by pressing hard, sliding your finger all the way. Put your weight on it. Sharp crease is important. And make sure the top is matched. 2 layers are matched. Very good. You made this half. If you make one more time, same way, you will make a quarter fold. So from the bottom, you will fold it to the top again. So here's a half, and here's a whole. And half line is right here, and quarter, quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Or 1/4. Fold it in half, and now keep it in half, yes? Then let's have the folded edge on top, and opening side is on the bottom. If you are not sure what you are doing, this is what I mean. Here's a tent. It's like a top of the tent, the bottom of the tent or the roof, and this, the opening edges are on the bottom. There are 2 layers on the bottom. Pick up one and fold to the center crease, which is just above the very bottom, right here. Do the same on the back side, so be sure to flip the bottom line folded to the center crease horizontally. Unfold. Now you can see the crease you just created. I am going to mark with this. Yes. Line, creasing line you just created. You will fold triangle to this colored line, which is the lowest crease. So from here, grab the top corner and fold down until the edge right here, fold to the crease on the lowest crease, and do the same thing on the crease right here. Fold down the triangle. So this is trapezoid. On the bottom, a strip of rectangle folded up over the 2 triangles. And at this point, use pencil or markers and press so that all the crease is very sharp. And you are done with this planter or boat or hat. How do you make the puppet? How do you do that? Show me. Yes, I will show you here. Open the left and right to the sides, almost looking at the diamond square. That's how far you can go. You can go this far, and you can see the top and bottom moving like a mouse. And that's where you put the eyes, ears. Feel free to do any ways. This is yours. So that's okay. And from the planter or board to the heart. Grab the top edge and fold it to the side. I put my weight onto it and make a sharp crease because there are more than a couple of layers. And do the same thing on the opposite side. So what you do is grab the top and fold to the side. That's a way to shape the heart. And if you look at it from the back side, this is almost done. It's kind of pointy, and if you like this way, that's fine with me. And if you like to make it a little more round, get rid of this corner by folding to the back. And do the same on the opposite side because heart is very symmetrical. And if you like to get rid of this triangle like a wing, you can get rid of it. How do you do that? Well, you don't have to cut it because you can fold it in right here. Fold it in there. And do the same. Here's a triangle sticking out. Just tuck that inside and hide it. And this point, I will get rid of that too to make it a little more round. Right here, here's a pocket. That's where you can put flowers, anything. And the back side has a little pocket right here too. You can put something if you like. Enjoy.